So what's going on, guys? It's Miles back with some more car talk. On this Wednesday's car talk, there's something that I've been noticing that's going on with men that I want to address in this video. See, the car talks are where the car talks and the live streams are where we get extremely deep. This is where we get the substance and the message of this channel. If you guys want to watch the reaction videos, there's plenty of them throughout the week, so for you guys to look at. But this is the times where we really need to think and be educated and think about society, our lives as men. And so this one thing that I've been noticing that's going on with men is harming men's work lives, their ability to make money, their performance at work, to get promotions, to make more money. This one thing. And I've got some stories to tell you when it comes to what I'm noticing with the men that I'm seeing at work. And so what happens is these men at work, they get these promotions, and sometimes success kills them. It's like what Bane says, or it says in Batman, success has beaten you, victory has beaten you. But the other side of it is their personal lives are going good. They have a girl they're talking to. They got a promotion. They got a new car. Life is going good. They're performing well. And then you begin to see that they show up later. Their performance is lackluster. And then you begin to yourself, you're like, hey, why isn't such and such performing correctly? What's truly going on here? What it is, guys, oftentimes is they're talking to a woman, and for whatever reason, the relationship went south, and they can't compartmentalize and say, that's my personal life. In my work life, I have to still perform. So once the woman leaves, not only do they suffer in their personal life, but they bring it over to work. You'd be astounded how many men drink before and after work, have a bottle already queued up after work. Alcoholics, because they can't deal with the fact that a woman left them. See, a lot of men, if we're being honest, they can't take rejection, or they can't take the bad part of a relationship, the ending of a relationship well. Especially because of course, men, you have to accept the truth about women. There's no way around this. She probably found a better option, maybe because you were too clingy to her. It's a lot of different things that you did or didn't do that contributed to her leaving. But you guys have to understand, a woman is going to leave. She's going to leave. There's nothing you can say to convince her. We can talk about game all day. We can talk about making money all day. But at the end of the day, guys, if she wants to leave, she's going to leave. You can have the best sex. You can have the best Johnson size. You can have the best money. You can be in shape. If she wants to leave, guys, she will leave. And so stop trying to figure out why she flaked, why she's pulling back. Let her go and move on, because you're just making life harder for yourself. It doesn't need to be that complicated, guys. I get it. You love these women. You want it to work out, and to be truthfully honest, to get over a real heartbreak, it takes 6 months to a year. But guys, you have that heartbreak that you can't deal with and you can't compartmentalize. Not only are you going to use the woman, but you're going to lose your job too. So you're going to be 2 and 1 on the negative side. A lot of men cannot accept a woman leaving them, especially if you did nothing wrong. I get it, guys. You have to understand, women are fickle, guys. You have to understand that. I know you want to believe that they love you just for you. Yeah, a woman can love you all she wants to for you, but I promise you, if you're not making any money, if you don't have any kind of value financially, if you don't have any kind of value financially in combination of being in somewhat kind of shape, you will struggle with women. You can be the nicest guy, you can have the prettiest face, but women will leave you whenever, for whatever reason, and you have to accept that. That's the risk that you take when you, when you take on a relationship. That's the risk that you signed up for. Irreconcilable differences. You know, like in a marriage where you leave and you don't need a reason, you can just file because you don't like the person anymore, or you're not happy. This is what women do, guys. In the way society is structured, there's not really anything that's keeping her attached to you. We figure that religion would get her or allow her to be more attached and she wouldn't leave as fickle, but that's not always the case. The church women are leaving in droves, divorcing just as much. You figure that women that have high IQs, that go to, university, that they would know that young men are struggling and we go through these different things, and that they would stay with you a lot longer because they know what it takes. They've been through the struggle, they have a career, but they still leave too. There's no demographic of woman. There's no solution really to avoid women's BS, guys. You have to accept it for what it is. This is the intelligence behind not taking women too seriously, not putting your all into them emotionally, because it's ironic, because when you have that mindset, they don't want to leave you. But when you're overly invested, she tends to pull back. You tend to push her away. When you aren't afraid to lose her, when you're talking to multiple women, now she talking about she loves you. Now she talking about she want to get into a relationship. Now she want to talk about you got the best pipe. Now she want to talk about, we should get married. We should have kids. Now she pulling the rubber off. And so this is just the nature of women, and you do not want to lose your career, your job over a woman, because if you get more money, if you just get more successful, another woman that's just as attractive, if not more attractive, will show up. Guys, if you always are in shape, if you have money and you're in shape, a woman will show up. Guaranteed. Don't mean that she gonna stay forever. Don't mean she gonna love you for you. But a woman will be there. You guys have to accept that, to a degree, relationships between men and women are transactional. We all pay. The married man pays. He's paying for a house. He's paying for clothes, shelter, protection. He has to protect his wife. Just like when you go and get fresh clothes and you get a new chain and you get a new car to impress women, you're spending money on women. When you're spending time with them, you're spending your time. When you're having intercourse with them, you're spending your energy, attention. And so you're not getting anything from free for women. They're gonna get something out of the deal. And that's just part of the deal. And whenever she feels like she doesn't get anything out of you anymore and she leaves, that's part of it too. And so these are the harsh truths that we have to accept about women, accept about the world, and not let it kill your self-esteem, kill your self-worth, and ultimately get you fired. Because you don't want to be fired, guys, because you're going to look back on that 5-10 years from now and you're going to make, man, I should never let that woman, get me fired and get me depressed and all of that. Because you're going to realize within that time frame, another woman came along, and this woman came along, and maybe that woman was a little bit better and she was younger and smarter and whatnot, more competent. And so I just want to come in and make this video for you guys. Hopefully you guys can, this is for the intellectuals, these card talks and the live stream. So hopefully you guys got some value out of this. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to share the video, share the video. If you guys want to support the channel, all the ways you can are in the description below for whatever dollar amount is worth it to you. Again, that's my video. See you guys in the next one, man. Peace.